This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Open house SAT 8:13 and Sun 8:14 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Bring the boat. Bring the RV. Bring the power tools or the makings for a she shed. There's room for it all in this 3-bedroom ranch with a detached garage with power and a large fenced backyard. Beautifully landscaped front yard and front porch with lots of room for the adirondacks. Brand new deck out back for grilling and friends and family time. Triple windows in the living room invite and lots of light. The kitchen is updated with granite and stainless appliances. A garage conversion can be family room, workout room, office, hobby room, or 3rd bedroom. Home has been freshly painted. Roof and HVAC around 8 years young. 2-year young luxury vinyl plank throughout home. Flooring and an updated bath. Huge primary bedroom with room for workout/office space. This home is ready for its new owners to enjoy. For more information, review the details below.